It is Diwali and it is literally raining here in Shillong. Ay, 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 ay. Kumri bro kani kani reaction Tuesday bingi yo react ki jingrai bet ki film bet ki quick ba per man lak sin Tuesday na kani channel jang ko Freeman. Ler pipe ni ki video ko mul philai to ka jingrai to ka ad jo ka Netflix ka bakarteng Cherrapunji ki Diwali. If you're watching this video, I know you must have seen Cherrapunji ki Diwali from Netflix, the ad, the Diwali ad. If you haven't seen it, then let's watch this. Here goes. Okay. First things first, it is not Cherrapunji anymore. It is Sohra. The original name is Sohra. It's not Cherrapunji. It doesn't rain in winter. Only in sometimes, yes. Mende baju slap man boro sis nam ngati pinong Sohra kiti bahaya kata. Te hindi kita tag tingkan lanu ada portalang rukan slap mende om man boro sis nam.
Kirong baharu kom sahantaru kaburom kajing lek men bas ngauten.
Kata dia kejawa khasi lyrics.
Koyang ibangin syad habadan kajing ya lek men. Kirong baharu kom sahantaru kaburom kajing lek men bas ngauten na. Koyang ibangin syad habadan kajing ya lek men.
Ulabak Sohra. The Sohra rain. The song says Ulabak Sohra means Sohra rain.
कभी कभी बारिश जीता कभी हम
Ulabak Sohra Jishakamon. Ulabak Sohra Jishakamon. Ulabak Sohra Jishakamon. Jika betul bom betul malu bertat. Instead of a firecracker, lightning, thunder, sound.
पर एक चीज सुन नहीं पाया फैमिली टाइम
मोटा मिर्चा खा के ऐसे नाचो आजा छोरे आजा गोरे आजा छोरे नाचो 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 वीर नाचो 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 यार नाचो 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 कच्ची कैली जैसा खट्टा ना.
Well, what's that? Oh, the lights went off. Oh no problem, but that's mobile phone and family.
दिवाली
Yes.
हाउसफुल होनी चाहिए
Alright, so that is Diwali. Okay, so I just want to get a few things right. I'm a local from here. Ngade local na ni di kasi sa comment na po pisno ko no lo ni video mo. Nang video di kabitan ba? I like the video and everything. The family time, Diwali is a festive season and all that. And Netflix got it right. Ke Netflix kala hit bah. Kamar ke prediction ke Netflix kumba slap kum tu uslap shisha mentaru kami yo ban berbebam pipit menta pisti sebar lang slap. Look, it is raining outside. Hangne ngim khot chu Cherrapunji ngim khot Sohra. We don't call Cherrapunji anymore. We call it Sohra because Sohra is the original name. Cherrapunji is a name given by the Britishers when they came here and then mixed it. Cherra means Sohra and Punji with a Bangla word. And that's how the mixture and that's how the name Cherrapunji came to being. Alright? Ngaso kamen susarong makipani yakani ka hapon Netflix. Bikin peni po Netflix yakani ka than jani chani Sohra nei. Tinritang kawai pa kabangas ngo dukhi mensi mani bakalong ma nado pas dang video hado pukot video nga kami khasi weru. I am excited and I am also grateful for Netflix for choosing this part of the world to showcase the culture, to showcase this festive season being celebrated here in this part of the world. But I'm also disappointed being a local because I don't see I don't see the culture here. I don't see my culture here. in spite of the fact that it is being shot, it is being documented and made here in the Khasi Hills, made here in Sohra, but I don't see any Sohra except for the rain. I was expecting people with their traditional knup where they used to cover themselves when there's rain, and apart from that I don't see anybody wearing our traditional wear. Hakapor talang Sohra njuslap tingkat lanoe namar hagta hangtu ti temen ya hanaba man kapor slap de chini la di por kret lu slap por telang lu slap por liur te slap ha tenre hapor telang njuslap tingkat lanoe de ne am perlok se komen ne pomo. I don't remember having so much rain Diwali time so as to spoil all the crackers here. There is rain in winter in Sohra, but not as much as you think, okay? This is a festive season. Everybody should enjoy. Our friends are bursting out crackers here in the rain, but Cherrapunji is not the name anymore. If you come here and visit our beautiful land, this is called Sohra, okay? So for all the viewers out there, this is Sohra, not Cherrapunji. Tikariam ka pejru kam day, tika jakaru, ngantib la kadai ne po Sohra, tinre ngasngel pumut namar ka Netflix kawan le kani si Sohra, ti ngasngel enjoy ka tahi ba pej namar ba diki polak diki kelur ngot ki bring ba pej chakaling ka pertaya kani video kani video po Netflix. I wish that Netflix would come back and do few cultural dances here, which we will be having soon. Come this winter and you'll see more, and you will see that it does not rain in winter, but if you're lucky enough, then you'll see rain. All right, for all our dear viewers, if you are here for the first time and if you're planning to come, please use the word Sohra. It is known as Sohra, not as Cherrapunji. Let me go and show you around how does Diwali looks like in Shillong right now. Oh, it's raining. Tadi yos kau itu betul bom dam. There, yeah. Whoa, you see that one? Oh, lips ubol. Lips ubol.